Wise Business account overview. Is it worth it? So I've been using Wise Business for a little bit, and here's my review of it. Now, the first thing that you need to know is that it costs $50 or €50 to get your Wise Business account. So it's going to be a one-time payment of €50 in order to begin using Wise Business. It's not a subscription-based model. It is instead, like I said, you pay once and you forget about it. So what do you get for these for this money? So basically, you have access to cards. Here you can add or order a Wise debit card, and you have team cards. You can track your transactions, you can schedule payments, direct debits, and also recurring card payments. You have batches, so if I click on batch payments, you can create batch payments here. If you set this up, you can pay for invoices, you can create invoices yourself even. So if you click on get started here, you can create and send invoices for free. And also payment links and QR codes. As for the recipients, you can add the people you pay to constantly here. You can click on add to add their info. You will need to choose their currency. And basically, let's talk about the fees. So how do you send payments? So if I go into the payments tab here and I click on send, let's say that I want to send one of my employees a payment. So I'm going to do the first one here. So which currency is going to be your account's currency? So you will need to set an amount. For example, here €100, and you will see the fees automatically calculated for you. So you will see the total fees. So currently the total fees will be $8.69. But what if I was to send €800 as an example here? So the fees are gonna drastically increase, and that is because of my payment method. So if I change my payment method here, if you use a card, there is going to be a €34 fee if you use the card. However, if you do debit card or manual bank transfer, the least you can pay for this is going to be €5.21. So manual bank transfer, if you add money to your Wise bank account, this is what I recommend using. So if I add money to my Wise bank account and pay out my employees or freelancers, that way they will receive more money. Well, in this case, it's going to be €30 more. So that is something you need to pay attention to. So your payment method, you can't just link your bank card and expect them not to pay the huge fees. So that's very important. Overall, I am happy with Wise Business. I think it's worth the €50, especially if my freelancers get paid more. So yeah, that's my overview of Wise Business. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.